Run me through then the highest priorities for you in terms of making changes to your portfolio to make sure that you are in a better position to weather some of the challenges that are yet to come.
Thank you for the interview. I think you know that Kingdom Holding Companies invested in 14 sectors and 14 sectors, diversified sectors of the economy, of any economy, if that is. The thing is, having to change structurally our portfolio is really not on the table because we believe we are diversified enough. The only issue here is this COVID-19 is an epidemic that no one's seen before. I mean, this is the first time where the whole world is facing one enemy and one enemy only. It's the disease. So, and everybody is now focused on the finding the right medication to counterattack this unbelievably dangerous disease. So in the sense, all we're doing now is actually focusing on our portfolio to cut any fat, to reduce expenses, to control slow down on CapEx. So we're really controlling the cash flow of the company, which is in an excellent position today.
So do you have any targeted exits that you've planned as well? So you mentioned your operational cutback. What about locking in some of your more profitable investments? Is that on the table?
No, actually, we do not have a timeline on exiting any of our investments. It is actually the performance of that investment itself. So yes, everything is on the table. We're an investment company. We're an experienced. We've been around for 40 years since His Royal Highness started the company, and we're just going to wait for the right prices of our investments to exit some of them, and maybe in some areas we might actually increase our investment.
I mean, you've seen this rally in tech stocks in the United States and other parts of the world. Do you think that they're overvalued at this point?
For sure. Everything, in my opinion, is overvalued. It's due to huge sums of money that the government of the United States have actually helped the markets with. I think the election year is adding to maybe some kind of a doubt. What's going to happen? Is it who's going to win, what party, and so on and so forth. But for us, actually, we believe that the markets are really exuberant in the United States versus Europe. We believe Europe is actually a much better place to invest in at this time due to really reduction of a lot of the great companies' share price.
So where exactly in Europe are you looking to find some opportunities? Okay, do you have any more details on that?
No, I don't actually. We're basically looking in the UK and in the Eurozone. So, I mean, we've covered Europe just now. So basically, okay, we're looking for something we're not invested in, and actually to add to our diversification, which is, like I said, 14 sectors is a huge number of sectors for any company to invest in.
What's your read on the Saudi economic recovery? Is that going to be ahead of the rest of the world or in line of the rest of the world? What are you seeing in the numbers from the businesses that you run, and what are you hearing from some of your peers?
Okay, I don't really have a crystal ball here, but for sure, Saudi Arabia enjoys a lot of benefits that a lot of the countries don't, like low debt, low public debt, strong credit ratings. We also have high foreign exchange reserves. We have low cost of oil production. All this should add to the speed of recovery in Saudi Arabia, which will add a lot of benefits to the companies operating here.
And then for investors, specifically in your shares, any guidance on the dividend?
Yes, we are maintaining our dividend policy. We, for the whole year of 2020, we are going to review this again. As usual, we do that every year, not because of this exceptional year. We believe, again, and I repeat, what happened is exceptionally unbelievable. And we do not expect this to continue forever. So we believe by end of the year, things will be clearer. There will be hopefully vaccine, and we'll go forward, hopefully.